All right, we got this really nice Inkless portable printer. Look at this thing, like straight up, this is a printer. That's absolutely insane. You can take it with you anywhere you go. It even comes with this nice case right here. I'll actually just put it in really quick just to show you. Just look at this. This is a printer. Like, that's insane to me. That's just insane. And it's just a nice case. Like, it's a pretty hard shell there. So that's pretty cool. And so the printer just easily fits in there. You can store. We got the instruction manual in there right now. It also comes with this cable that you can attach to your computer, as well as this to go over the USB side has the nice little adapter for the USB-C. So that's amazing. I'm going to show you that in just a second. But this can print on various sizes of paper. Right now, I'm going to show you just your standard paper, 8.5 by 11. But let's actually just do it. So we're going to hold the power button down right here. And that shows that it is on right now. And actually, before I even do it, I'm going to open it up. To open it up, you're going to press these two buttons right here. And you can see there's already paper loaded in. It's a circular sheet of paper right there. That's already loaded in. Very easy. You can also just show you how easy it is to load in and out. Comes right out, goes right in. So that is amazing. Let's shut that up. And it even comes with 2 more rolls of paper. So 3 rolls of paper total that it comes with. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to go into the app. I'm going to show you how to print from your phone. I'm going to go into the app that it comes with. I've already got it all set up. Right now, it should be connecting up here at the top. It's searching for the device. And there we go. It is connected. And so I'm basically just going to hit print down here. There we go. And so it says it's printing. And it's doing the magic right now, as you can see. So there we go. And this is what it shows as it's printing right here. But it's doing it right now. And you can see there's the words coming out. And you can print whatever you want on here. I mean, different people, they'll do even shipping labels. A lot of people use this to print shipping labels. But so I wanted to just show you. And then it just rips out very easily. And that's what I have printed right there. Look at that very closely. Very nice message, because a lot of people don't realize that. So now that we've got that printed out, I'm going to come over here, and I am going to actually take this. So you gotta hook this up to your computer. So I'm going to put the USB-C adapter on here. I'm going to plug it into my computer right down there, and then I'm going to take this, plug it into the printer right here. And now this, I already have it hooked, set up and ready to go in here. So I'm going to come in here, just hit print on my document in here, and it has begun. So remember the other message, and this is the follow-up message to that. Very important, especially with these crazy times we are living in. Lies are everywhere. There's just lies all around us, and the truth, in a way, is hard to find. In a way, it's easier than ever to find. That's the truth right there. But as the lies permeate our society, the truth becomes more and more obvious. And that's why people are turning to this man in droves right now. So, an amazing device. Highly recommend it.